Hi, this is Shraddha Kapoor.
And I'm Siddharth Malhotra.
And you are watching us on
Bollywood Hungama.
जैसे सुपरमैन की कॉस्ट्यूम में लाल चड्डी पहनना कंपलसरी है, वैसे ही तुम गैंगस्टर्स का ये सड़ो लुक कंपलसरी है क्या? वेल दैट्स व्हाट श्रद्धा कपूर इज आस्किंग सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा, एंड वी हैव दिस द ब्यूटीफुल कपल ऑफ द एक विलन. Huge pleasure to have you guys on Bollywood Hungama.
Yes.
And don't miss the badges, the ek villain badges that they're sporting.
yes.
Smiley with blood.
Smiley with our own
खून के साथ भी
blood.
हंसी है.
So something about this aspect, that the gangsters, do they have to have that sadu look?
The look,
that she's not?
no, I think that's why it's so funny. I think all the gangsters today have been typically done that ki bad look.
They always have a sadu look on their face, na?
Right.
ऐसे grumpy होके they're standing and they
So
think
there's a
that
reason. Behind this gangster, there's a reason.
behind this gangster.
So I think every gangster. Gangsters have to be bad, but we're making
reason.
bad look good.
Right.
Yeah. So then it's a good thing. If we
Yeah.
all look the same, how would we look like? Like gangsters or stand out as negative people.
But that sadu look is a representation of
the
who they are.
Right.
And that
Yeah, these guys don't
outward.
care.
You mean to say that gangsters can be funny and entertaining and interesting and all that as well?
Why not? Her dad's playing such funny gangsters.
Actually, my
Interesting characters,
dad is
yeah.
a
Crime Master Go.
Crime Master
That is
Go. Yeah, that's the
that
best.
is classic actually.
That's
You know?
classic.
That is classic.
Classic
गोटियां निकाल के खेलता हूँ. My brother loves it. You know, he doesn't watch Hindi films at all. He loves that.
Oh, yeah.
Superb it is.
Iconic,
Gotia
best.
film,
What a
yeah.
what a character to
So
play.
see, the gangsters can be funny and entertaining. Yeah? Why not?
Right,
Yeah,
right.
they can.
Okay, now I was speaking to Mohit Surya and he said that Shraddha played such a serious role in Aashiqui 2 that she said that मेरे को इसमें आप हर जगह पे आप मैं हंसने वाली हूँ. And even in serious, I think portions you've been smiling as such.
Is that what he said?
That's what he said, yeah.
So
I don't remember the verbatim
Yeah,
thing, but more or
right.
less, this is what he said.
So Mohit told me that you're going to talk a lot in this film. You're going to be talking a lot, and it's very different from what we've done together earlier.
Right.
It's poles apart. He also gave me that freedom. He was like, just do it however you like to. And it's interesting that we have actually had that journey from being playing such an emotional character earlier in the film and now playing such a fun-loving character with the same director. So that was something that was really interesting because the brief was different and the way that we were even interacting with each other was different.
Right.
Yeah.
Banjara, the song, I think it's a beautiful song, and I think कुछ offbeat type में है. It's not a very regular Hindi film song that we have, and wonderful lyrics as well. So how was the experience of you guys just enacting to it? And
Well, I think Mohit
the
Suri's
representation,
songs-
the visual representation is somewhat different from what you imagine actually when you listen to the song.
Correct. If you hear it
Yeah,
first and then
yeah.
you see the visuals,
Yeah, exactly.
So I think
Yeah.
She's laughing a lot in that, and the song is very serious. When
Right.
you listen to it audio, in terms of the audio.
You wouldn't expect such situations to
Exactly.
be portrayed.
Yeah,
right,
exactly.
right. That is true actually.
But that's Mohit
Yeah.
Suri. I think that's Mohit's style also. He likes to give information or take the narrative ahead through these kind of songs.
Right.
We're not lip singing any of the songs.
Yeah,
So everything is what this character is feeling for her, or what she's feeling for him. So Banjara is actually mostly is about how he sees like my character sees a brighter side of this world that we live in. He sees that she's doing so much for other people. She's happier. She's slightly positive. So this is the new world. So kaise like it's like how he finds this ki you have found me, like kaise ek banjare ko ghar. So interesting how he's put it through the lyrics, and that's what all moments are about.
Yeah. Like he's sad and
Right.
he has no happiness in his life.
जैसे बंजारे को घर
And the sadu look and all that he has is slowly
thanks.
getting melted away. So with this girl coming into his life, and he's actually taken aback by how vibrant and energetic and positive she is.
Drives the motorcycle and all that.
Yeah, drive also cracks jokes and all.
Cracks
She's
jokes
really
as well.
everything ek joke bolu and all that thing is her favorite line.
Yeah, Ek Jok
Only
Bolu
cracking
is
joke.
my favorite line. And I have my own bike.
Right.
Which
That's quite a heavy duty one actually.
heavy duty
Yeah.
one.
Yamaha 100,
and,
it's like more.
and I'm 5'5" के ऊपर, and that bike is one hathi. So imagine me and that together.
This is her legs, like this is the floor, and
Yeah.
her legs are like almost ek laga दूसरा लगा on side में.
So when he'd come on the bike,
जी.
he would hold the bike
Yeah.
for me with his legs because
No, but
his
she
legs
learned
are
it
like
as well.
6
She's
feet
totally
tall.
driving the bike, and all throughout the film you see her riding on it. Only once or twice you fallen down. That's it. Only or once only once.
I flew. I
Only
went
once.
flying
She
and-
just she dived off the bike before it
off
could
the
fall.
bike, and he had a good laugh over it.
I was chasing you in a car, but in that
later
thing.
on you were-
Luckily, I didn't run over you.
Full and masti
Because you
on
fell.
it.
lot of adventure sports happening. Scuba diving आप लोग कर रहे हो and
Yeah, a lot of different
Underwater
locations,
भी
lot of
and-
stuff. We did
Yeah.
Galiyan, I think that there's
We were in the
underwater sequence.
mountains, we were climbing mountains. So
We were trekking and
underwater,
all.
we were trekking.
Yeah.
We've done what else? Snow. We made snow.
We made
Right,
snow,
right, right, yeah.
exactly.
For Galia in the day, and bike ride where I put all the names in around the city.
And
so,
we visited a waterfall, we visited
Yeah.
the beach.
that's the song Galia actually. Galia
Yeah,
is where
in Galia.
you see us going to different locations and seeing all these places. We've seen
Right,
butterfly,
right.
you see underwater taking you to a different world. There's snow as he said. So that's a very big song. I think that's the biggest song visually that you'll see.
No, it's a beautiful song as
Yeah.
well, like even in terms of audio.